Hi everyone! So today our SuperM Jalouse magazines finally arrived. I ordered them with my friends through a group order. Here's the business card of the group order manager. I'll link her down below too. It's very cute. Ordered with my friends, so I have Lucas, Baekhyun, Mark, and Taeyong's copies. I think my friends also purchased Kai and Ten's, but in a different order, so when she gets those, she'll also be showing you the covers and unboxing those as well. But today I'll just be unboxing these four. I think the content inside is the same, so I'll just be opening them to show you the cover and the photo card inside, and then flip through just one of the magazines. So here is Taeyong's cover. It's so pretty. I actually think Taeyong's cover is my favorite, but I purchased Mark's cover. So that's his cover, and then spine, the back. So I think this moves. Yeah, so this is just like a little slot here. So you can actually take this out if you wanted. I think I'll take it out to see. But it's just like a little postcard almost. It's super pretty. I usually don't buy magazines because I used to buy them and they're just so heavy and they take up so much space, but I really liked that these magazines came with photo cards and the pictures were really nice, so I decided to purchase one. So the photo card's right in the front. It has a really bad indent from this right here, but it's still super pretty. I don't know if you could see the indent, but it's like down this whole photo card. Okay, let's try. Ooh! I was like, let's try to find the pictures, but it's like right in the front. So it looks like they are just the beginning. Yeah. So starting from here. I really liked their styling and their hair colors when they did this photo shoot. They all look really good. Oh wow, he's so nude. Wow, he looks really good in this. There's an interview as well, but can't read Chinese, so there's probably translations online if you want to see what they've said. Wow, he looks so good. There's a lot of pictures of Lucas. He's so cute. Oh, this is pretty. Tail. I like this outfit a lot. Ten's interview. Oh, there's actually a lot of pages in here for them. Can't see Taeyong because he's in the spine, but he's right there. And I think that's it. I think those are all their pictures. Yeah, it's a pretty good amount though. It's like this much of the magazine, and the pictures are really nice. But I like this concept of like the changing cover. That's really cool. But I hate that the photo card is super dented. But this is Taeyong's cover. I'll show you the rest of the covers and the photo cards too. Okay, so here we have the other copies. This is Lucas's cover. Really pretty. And then his photo card actually fell out. It also has the indent, but it's not as bad as Taeyong's, but it's still going down the whole card. Oh, I didn't even show the backs earlier, but it just looks like this. Cute. And then here is Baekhyun's cover. He's super cute too. His card. Oh, it's not on the first page. Interesting. So I can't seem to find the PC for this one. I don't know if it fell out or something, but it's not in the magazine. That's really weird. That sucks. Yeah, I don't know. It's not in here. But yeah, the photos are the same. Oh no. This is my friend's copy, so she will be very sad to hear. And lastly, we have the marked cover. This one is mine. Hopefully it's not missing the photo card too. That would be really sad. Oh, it's in here too. Also has the really bad indent. Cute though. I guess at least it's not missing because the BBH one is missing. But yeah, these were the 4 covers we got. Magazines are super pretty. I really liked their photo shoot this time. But it's really sad that there's no photo card in this one. Ugh. I'll have to go break the bad news to my friend now. My friend should be receiving her Kai and 10 copies soon as well, so we'll probably show those in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.